This message is for anyone or everyone who has attended any of the Similya sa Kinabuhi training sa Manolo Fortich Bukidnon. Either yung leadership development training, yung reboot, yung essentials of business, o hindi, jumpstart, pati na farm for profit. We are reaching out sa inyo because we would like to invite you kasi gusto namin gumawa ng alumni community either sa Facebook or sa Viber. The facility of Similya sa Manolo Fortich have temporarily closed because of a number of reasons. After the pandemic, nawala yung aming admin staff because like any employee of Similya, pag natututo sila ng negosyo, they're invited by their family to join their businesses. Pagkatapos naman, yung facility itself are very, very old. Tinayo yung mga building natin noon in 2005 to 2007. So medyo hindi na siya safe to accommodate people for training. When I was trying to ask people if they can help me restore it, medyo walang interest noon. So for a while, sabi ko sa sarili ko, siguro it is time to close Similya. But on the other hand, towards the end of 2023, sabi ko sayang naman yung mga lesson ng Similya. So for the whole of 2024, dinocument namin lahat ng training ng Similya and linagay namin in video form. Nagpapasalamat ako doon sa mga partners na nag-fund nung initiative na yon. Nung natapos kami sa paggawa ng video, we were able to create 155 videos. Videos ng leadership, ng reboot, nun meron pa kaming bagong nagawa na overcoming depression in the workplace. Nung natapos na lahat ng video, I asked myself, anong gagawin natin dito? Naisip ko na what I'd like to do is to use it to bless people. By now, alam nyo that my desire is to be able to help all Filipinos become fruitful. But then naisip ko, unahin muna namin lahat ng alumni. And this is why we are reaching out to all of you. Kung papayag kayo, kung gusto nyo sumali doon sa alumni community that we're trying to build, can you fill up the Google form na naka-attach sa video na ito? But as I end, let me share with you something I discovered. Na-realize ko na God allowed the facility to close to force me to put all the lesson in video form so that Similya can bless more people and so that we can reach even people na wala dito sa bansa, mga OFW or nag-migrate sa ibang lugar. Para bang nag-metamorphosize ang Similya? Alam nyo yon, yung caterpillar naging butterfly. Today, Similya have another group of admin staff, pero not for the facility anymore, but for managing the many video programs that we have created. Most of them will be free. Kasi gusto namin makatulong especially sa inyo mga alumni. Ang hope namin pag nakatulong sa inyo later, that you will share these videos with other people para tulungan din natin sila. However, not all of them are free. There are certain programs that will be accessed by subscription in the website na gagawin namin for Similya. And hopefully this will be the source of funds to be able to support the people behind this initiative. So I'm hoping that you can respond to this video. Kung natanggap mo itong video na to, can you share this with your classmates doon sa training nyo so that we can invite them also? I'm really hoping that Similya can bless you again and together we can bless more people. Sana lahat ng Pilipino. Maraming salamat for listening and I'm hoping that God will continue to make you fruitful.